Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be 1 lakh rupees PC build for Ryzen 7 5700X, and we have the monitor as well, Gigabyte G24F, and that's 165Hz 1ms and IPS panel. Pretty decent monitor for 13,000 rupees. So let's begin with the PC parts which we're going to use in this build, and then we'll assemble. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Both Amazon and our website links are there. Do consider to check them out for the latest prices. So yeah, let's begin with the PC parts now. For the processor, we have got Ryzen 7 5700X. This is a wonderful processor with 8 core 16 thread and very good for editing. This is available for around 24,000 rupees. For the motherboard, we have got MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi, and this is a wonderful motherboard if your budget is around 10,000 rupees and you want the B550 series with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. For the RAM, we are going with XPG D30. This is 16x2, and then this is 32GB as you're building an editing PC here. So 32GB is recommended for 4K editing machine. So yeah, this is what we have for the RAM. For the SSD, we are going with XPG S5 512GB NVMe SSD. For more storage, we are going with WD 1TB hard drive. This is 7200 RPM and it is decent enough for more storage. For the cooler, you can either consider a decent air cooler, or I have selected here around 3,000 rupees. This is 120mm liquid cooler from Deepcool. For the power supply, we are going with 650 watt bronze. This is around 3,600 rupees. It is decent enough, comes with 5-year warranty. For the cabinet, we are going with MSI 100M. This is a beautiful cabinet, and yes, it is from MSI. As said on the video, we are also going with a monitor which is a Gigabyte G24F. This is IPS panel, a wonderful monitor for around 13,000 rupees.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Alright, so we're done with the PC build. Testing has been done and the PC is ready to ship. So this is 5700X build with B550 motherboard which has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 32GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD, 1TB hard drive, MSI case, a 3050 from Galaxy which is around 25,000 rupees, not bad. And that's about the video with the monitor which is Gigabyte G24F which is 165Hz all everything included is just 1 lakh rupees. Shipping is free. Going to South India. I'm sorry, I don't recall the name of the place, but it's going somewhere in South India. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box below. I would love to answer them. If you have any questions, you can visit our website and ask the questions there, or you can go our website, find the phone number and call our team. Also, do check out the link in the description box below. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below, both Amazon and our website, to check the live prices. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.